everyone, Bryan Cermak with another episode of Lifelong Lessons. Today I'm going to talk about cheating. No one likes to cheat. No one likes a cheater. They say cheaters never win. If you cheat in a sporting event, you'll get a foul or a flag, a penalty flag will be thrown at you. If you cheated in the old days, in the old Wild West during a card game, probably somebody would pull out a gun and shoot you. Cheating no one likes. I certainly don't like to be cheated. And probably at some point or another, all of us have been either cheating, maybe cheated on a test in school, or have been cheated out of something. So we know it's not a good thing to cheat. But guess what? There's a law in the state of Michigan that allows, believe it or not, the state of Michigan to cheat you out of your rightful possessions. Yes. And they don't try to hide it from you. You know what they call it? They call it Escheat. Escheat. If you don't believe me, you can look it up. It's a law. They say it's based upon an old law back in Europe. When you were found guilty of a crime and you were thrown into a prison or a jail, some of the countries in the old days would take your possessions back from you. The king would take back your land. Well, that's what they do in the state of Michigan. And Michigan is not unusual. It's done in all 50 states. Basically, if you pass away and you do not have a living relative or some heir or a will or a trust, but you've got assets and there's no one there to collect them, the state of Michigan is more than happy to collect them for you. And those assets escheat back to the state of Michigan. Why am I telling you this? Because in order to not be cheated out of your property, before you pass away, get your things in order. Talk to a probate and trust attorney. Either get a will, establish a trust plan, or give copies of things that you have that are important to you so that you make sure your goods and your things go to the right people when you pass away. The last thing you want to do is have the state of Michigan cheat you out of your possessions. Give it to charity, give it to a friend, give it to your neighbor, but don't let the state of Michigan take what you've earned, what was yours when you pass away. Again, remember, as long as you have a desire to learn, you'll never stop growing. Until next time, this is Bryan Cermak.